Welcome back to another technical video. Today we're going to be going through your question, answering it, and hopefully getting you to that solution. Guys, remember to stay just a little bit crazy just like me and get through to that resolution. Now, let's get started. And that's it, guys. I hope the video helped find the resolution that you're looking for and you got the answer and worked your way through. If you did, please hit subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And until the next time you need technical help, I hope you have a good one.